Your supply chain data has never been more visible, yet your decisions have never been slower to trust. This video explores that critical visibility gap and what your AI is still missing. Imagine a Tier 2 supplier going offline without warning. The real challenge isn't just data access. It's the lack of a system that defines the complex, interdependent relationships between suppliers, parts, and requirements. It isn't one fact, it's a chain. When any link, from resin supplier to final assembly, is missing or held only in memory, the chain breaks and your response time suffers. Databricks effectively governs access to your datasets. However, while Unity Catalog secures the data, it does not inherently govern how those records relate to one another in actual business workflows. Kobai addresses this by turning that chain of relationships into shared business context that sits on top of your lakehouse. This allows for faster responses, fewer unnecessary changes, and preserved institutional knowledge. With this integrated approach, you move from relying on tribal knowledge to having immediately visible, governed, and auditable substitution decisions, protecting your production commitments. Visibility was never the hard part. The real advantage comes when you define your business relationships as carefully as you govern your data, enabling faster and more confident decision-making. Are you ready to close your supply chain visibility gap? Start your journey with the Semantic Graph pilot on the Databricks Marketplace and see how you can transform your environment in just a few weeks. To bring contextual intelligence to your enterprise data or for any queries, please contact us at support@kobai.io. Thank you for watching.